Oh yeah, look at the cacti. And then I think that's aloe plant right there.
Yeah.
Oh, and there goes Kiro, the leash. Just beautiful. It's a crazy climb.
Hey, Salvage Scenic fam, what's up? Good morning, people.
Good morning, people. We made our way from Buckskin Gulch over to Sedona for the holiday. We just spent Christmas Eve and Christmas morning in a cool little villa in town here, and we're off for our second hike today after hiking Bell Rock area behind our Airbnb yesterday. Had a really cool hike. We weren't quite fully prepared, I'd say. To say the least. We were in like sneakers and like casual boots. Kiro's really excited to get out there and do some hiking. We're headed to two pretty popular spots, so yeah, you excited? So hopefully there aren't too many people there. Hopefully get a parking spot, get in there, and yeah, we'll see you guys out there. We got some rogue bikers in front of us right now.
15.
Oh, all right, we made it.
The road rage.
The road rage is unreal. Merry Christmas. Filthy animals.
Sedona.
I don't know. Our GPS is taking us through some little hotel community utopia type place.
Utopia.
And yeah, I don't know where we're going, but I think we'll get there. This is looking sick.
Coconino.
Coconino.
This is insane. I'm busy. Oh, hey.
Oh, hey.
Oh, gosh.
little frosty in there. Getting colder as we're gaining elevation here. But Canada girl over here is built pretty tough, so.
Way better, but they were like man-made. Oh, so here, I'll give you that. That's fine.
Thank you so much.
Sorry.
No worries.
People. Okay, wait here.
Somebody else coming around?
Yeah. You sure you can go?
Yeah.
Right away.
Oh, there you are.
How much? How is it up there?
Oh, it's sick.
Yeah. How far'd you go?
We made it on the top of this, but we didn't quite go to the sun because time's getting late and we gotta run.
Yeah. Cool.
Alone from here on out.
Well, Merry Christmas and
Merry Christmas.
have a great rest of your night.
You as well.
Holy smokes. I really don't know if this is even passable, and I'm sure it's not gonna look not nearly as severe as it looks in person, but this is at least a 45-degree angle, and it's a sheer drop. Sitting here tucked against the rocks, just taking in the views. I don't think we need to get out to the point though. This is still an absolutely spectacular view. Alright, that's probably good. We're gonna head down now. Well, folks, we had a pretty good hike yesterday out to Subway Cave. Really busy there. The parking lots and street parking was absolutely flooded. Probably like a couple hundred people on the trail and up at the Subway Cave, which made for a little bit of a hectic time. That being said, I was able to get in there and check out Subway Cave. What was really cool, perhaps because there weren't any people up there, was Madison pointed out to me this little gully that went up on top of the rock formations, and I was able to make my way up there through some brush and got up to a pretty high vantage point overlooking the valley we were in, and it was just beautiful. We are now in the car. We've officially checked out at the Airbnb. Yesterday, Subway Cave was a very famous one for sure, and we're now headed to another famous one called Devil's Bridge. If there's a million people there, we might bail on it, might go somewhere else. I don't know, but hopefully we get out of this traffic and we get there. No time to cook breakfast this morning, so we're gonna have a real healthy snack breakfast here. We got pretzels, sun chips, and candy. Specifically, sour gummy worms and blue sharks. Let me know down below what your favorite candy is.
Just like Jordan.
Yeah, good boy.
We did Bell Rock this morning. This is kind of
Madison and I just wrapped up our last hike of the trip here at Devil's Bridge. Really beautiful hike yet again. An absolute circus being around Christmas time. You know, lots of people, but still absolutely beautiful nonetheless. This is definitely the most challenging part about this lifestyle. You meet a lot of amazing people and do amazing things. Just like anything good in life, it doesn't last forever. I guess you know, you can cry that it's over, but you also gotta smile because it happened. I'm being so dramatic right now. I need to get in the truck and get moving to the next location. Next stop should be a pretty epic solo mission, so thank you so much to Madison and Kiro for coming out and spending this Christmas holiday with me. This is definitely one of the coolest Christmases I've ever had. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along for the ride. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. And until next time, keep making the most of it.